Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to add speaker notes in PowerPoint, a crucial skill for anyone who wants to deliver polished and confident presentations, whether you're preparing for a business meeting, a school project, or any speaking engagement. Having well-prepared speaker notes can guide you and make your presentation run smoothly. Let's go step by step so you can make the most of this feature. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. If you already have Microsoft Office installed, simply click on the PowerPoint icon to launch it. Once it's open, navigate to the presentation where you want to add your speaker notes. Make sure you're working on the correct file so all your notes are linked to the right slides. Next, look at the bottom of your presentation window. This lower section might be easy to overlook, but it's where the magic happens. You'll see a small box that says, "Click to add notes." This is your space to type in all the guidance you need for each slide. Click inside that box, and you'll notice the cursor blinking, ready for you to start typing. As you type, think about what's most important for you to remember while presenting. You can summarize key points, add extra data, or include reminders to engage with your audience, pause for questions, or emphasize certain visuals. Keep in mind that these notes are for your eyes only, so don't worry about perfect grammar or formatting. They are meant to be your behind-the-scenes script to support your delivery. Customize them in a way that works best for your presentation style, and you'll likely find that your confidence and clarity improve dramatically. Once you've added your notes, take a moment to review them. Practicing with your notes beforehand can ensure a smooth flow and help you stay organized while speaking. And that's it. You've successfully added speaker notes to your PowerPoint presentation. This simple yet powerful feature can elevate your presentations, making you a more effective and engaging communicator. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you deliver your next presentation with confidence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.